Xin chào mừng tất cả các khách tham quan đã đến với gian hàng công ty trách nhiệm hữu hạn dịch vụ thương mại Nhật Cường của chúng tôi ngày hôm nay. Và với gian hàng gần 90 m², công ty Nhật Cường rất hân hạnh được đem đến những cái công nghệ gia công thép tấm và gia công kim loại hàng đầu tại Việt Nam. Và bên cạnh tôi đây là ông Andy Red, giám đốc kinh doanh đến từ tập đoàn Haco của Bỉ. Hello Mr. Andy.
Hello Hannah, thank you. Well, Haco is a Belgian company. It was founded back in 1965 by Mr. Roger Havigear, and a few years later Mr. Roger Demarais joined our company. So today the Haco Group is producing high technological machines for the sheet metal and the woodworking industry. We have also a division for aluminium processing machines. Furthermore, we make also lathes and milling machines. And we have also a division that make mechanical and hydraulical presses. With our 52 years of experience and placed thousands of units into the global market, we are really one leader in our business. Today I'm really proud to be here in the Metalix exhibition in Ho Chi Minh City, together with our Vietnamese importer, the agent Nat Nguyen. And today on the show we have two machines. The first machine is the Pressmaster 3 meter 150 ton. The machine is equipped with a high technological fast-bend 2D multi-touch controller. Then the second machine we have here on the show is the HSLX 3x6 meter guillotine shear. And this shear has the new SC100 touchscreen controller. Very special on this machine is that it's equipped with a hydraulical sheet support system. So maybe now we can have a close look at the machines where I can explain more about every feature. The beam on this machine has a very fast approach speed of 200 mm per second and a very fast upward speed of 170 mm per second. To obtain this high speeds we are using the VID technology, which stands for Variable Inverter Drive Technology. This is a system we use to control our hydraulic pump. And the main advantages and benefits of this system is you have a limitation of oil thermal stress in the machine. There is also a lower heat and energy waste, and there is a longer pump and system life. This of course will result in a lower maintenance cost. The beam precision we are using here. Well, to guarantee the beam position precision, we are using high quality linear scales that are table referenced. That means that they are mounted on a special bracket that is connected to the table of the machine. Also, to guarantee a consistent bending quality all over the part length, the machine is equipped with a motorized CNC anti-deflection table. Here you can see our 21-inch fast-bend 2D multi-touch premium controller, which is extremely easy to use. To make a drawing, for example, you go to the drawing mode, and then in profile we use a combined icon, which makes it extremely easy for the operator to give the data to the controller. By straightforward icons, I can see this is the thickness, let's say a thickness of 1 millimeter. Here we can specify the width of the part, let's say 2 meters. Now I can close this window. Here in the machine I can select my tooling. There's a complete library of tooling already implemented in the machine controller. CNC control is also capable of finding its own top tools, bottom tools, or both bottom and top tools. To make a drawing there are two ways, or you can use the point-to-point method, which I will demonstrate right now. It's a multi-touch screen, so you can zoom, you can pan, I can change the angles. The second way of making a drawing is by the means of the smart drafts. Smart draft, you just do a long press, and now I can just make my drawing very easy. Now the machine has a real-time bending calculation. I can see now the background is red, and there's like a message that the bottom tool is too big to bend this part. With the feature of finding automatically the tooling, I can find a new bottom tool, and now immediately, instantly I find a new bottom tool to bend this part. The machine is suggesting this bottom tool. As you can see, there are more than 37,000 solutions found by the controller. When I continue making my drawing, I can see that it's real-time solution editing. Once the drawing is made, I can go to the edit molder. And in the edit molder, a special feature we have is the bending step previewer. In one eye catch, I can see the complete program. I don't have to scroll through the program over and over again. So here in step number 2, it's actually bend number 1. Step number 3, it's bend number 4, and so on. It's also possible to swap the part. To swap the part, I can just use this button. Here you can see the baggage. To move the baggage up and down, it's very intuitive controller because we use the full feature of the multi-touch control. To go up, I just simply move up. To go down, I just say down. In the step reviewer, it's also possible to swap the steps. If I take step number 5 and I want, for example, to put step number 5 between step number 2 and 3, I can easily put it inside. And now the whole program is recalculated, and immediately I can see there's a message here because there's a collision with the fingers. I can recalculate and go back to the original sequence. Then in production mode, I can see again the combined icons. For example, here we have all the parameters concerning the beam. Easily to set the deflection or the crowning. Also I can set my tilt value, the maximum depth, I can give corrections. Very easy to use is the axis menu. Here you have a graphical overview of all the axis positions, and by just pressing on the icon, I can fill in the data regarding to the baggage position. And in sequence, I can show a simulation video. Here I can set up the speed of the video. Let's say the speed of 2. Simulation. And I want to see all the steps. And now I can do the play. And now the machine will show me the real bending steps. If this is too much information, I can just show the tools instead of the complete machine. This is a 2D control, but it has also a capability of visualizing the 3D programs. And now I will open a new program. This is basically a 3D program. We import the drawing from SolidWorks or Inventor. It can be an ISIS or STEP format. And then the software will automatically calculate the bending sequence for me. So in the step previewer, I can see the complete bending process. When I go back to step number 1, I can run the program for you.
Vâng, và cảm ơn rất nhiều ông Andy đã cho chúng ta khá là nhiều thông tin thú vị về chiếc máy trấn Pressmaster đến từ Haco của Bỉ. Và tôi nghĩ rằng sẽ còn nhiều chức năng khiến cho chúng ta sẽ wow lên và khiến cho chúng ta sẽ tò mò hơn. Nếu các bạn muốn trao đổi nhiều hơn thì hãy ghé đến trang website của công ty Nhật Cường, cũng như là ghé đến gian hàng D26 của chúng tôi tại triển lãm Metalex Việt Nam năm 2017. Thank you so much, Mr. Andy.
Thank you, Hannah, for the opportunity, and congratulations again with the 15 years anniversary of your company in Nadgom. Thank you very much.